Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Please read if you have already not seen regarding my previous video like string class in Java and string methods I have explained there. So if you watch those video, it will be more helpful for understanding the string builder well. In this video, we will see whether it is mutable or immutable, or whether it is synchronized or non-synchronized, or we can also discuss regarding the capacity of the string builder object. So what is the default capacity, and also we'll learn about the constructor available in the string builder, and also we'll discuss about some of the methods in brief regarding the string builder class. Okay, now let's start. The string builder is nothing but it's a class in Java. It is available in java.lang packages. It used to create mutable object, means once the object is created we can able to modify. Okay, but in case of the string, once the object is created we can't modify it. That is the immutable string class. But in case of string builder, it is a mutable. If you compare to the string builder class, so it is almost same to the string buffer class, except that the string builder is a non-synchronized, and remaining it implements the serializable and character sequence interface as well. So I have already created the video regarding the string buffer class. So once you are good in a string class and string buffer class, so it will be very easy for you to catch the string builder concept. So string builder, as we already said, so once you create a string builder object, we can able to modify it. So or you can say that it is a modifiable object, or we can say it is a changeable object. I have created an object for string builder by passing some string data, right? So I have just appended it. So I immediately am printing the sysout of this object. So the output, if you observe here, so I have added initially it's a ProTech, and I am appending with the beach. So appending was like it will add the second string, this string into the first string. So the output will be ProTechBeach. As I'm immediately I'm printing, as I'm not assigning this variable or this object to the anything, but still it is printing me like ProTechBeach string builder is a mutable in nature, as it is modified now, right? So but in case of string, it won't work like this. It works in different way. Let me show you that. If I go back to so I have created one class for demonstration purpose for string builder. I have created. So let me run this program. Just I'm created object and I'm printing out it. Okay, so if I print this value, so I get the ProTechBeach, the same object, but we'll get exactly the difference only if I write some string class here. Let me replicate the same thing. Instead of string builder, let me use only the string, so that the comparison, maybe it is for you, it is very easy. So let me take already duplicated one, so I will take only yes, okay, as an object. So if I print this value, so this is the output for string builder sysout, one for string builder, one the same thing actually. See here, simply I have created and I have pasted here. So if I run this program, I used to get something value, right? So now let me append some values to these two. So let me append some value, like let me add Java. Okay, so let me give some space Java. Let me add the same text to the string as well. Okay, concatenate, it is similarly same. So if I run this program, see the difference here. So exactly the same code I have written for string builder and string, but in this case the string builder, it is taking me ProTechBeach and Java. It is appending directly without modifying anything. It is updated now, right? I didn't modify this object, so I just appended some data, so it is modified the object. But in case of string, right, see, even though I concatenated this some text here, but it is not modified the existing object. If I really, that's why it is called immutable. But in case of string builder, it is mutable because the object got changed now. Non-synchronized. So string builder basically non-synchronized in nature, but in compared to the string and string buffer, those two are synchronized. But in string builder, it is non-synchronized. That means in clear, we can say string builder object allows to modify the multiple thread simultaneously. So that's why it is called as non-thread safe. Some of the constructors I have listed here. So basically in the string builder, we have the two constructor, right? One is without parameter constructor or default constructor. One is parameterized constructor. The default constructor, it is not taking any value. By default, the capacity will be 16. But in case of string builder, parameterized constructor, if I pass the string value, so it will take the specified string length. If we pass a number, so this number will act as a capacity. Okay, so it's by, as we said, like here some default it is taking 16, right? So if I want to customize this value, the capacity, so I can pass it. Suppose if I pass it 5 here, now this takes the specified capacity. Suppose if you consider like StringBuilder as without parameter, suppose if you call the default constructor, then it will be, the value will be 16. The default value will be 16. That means it is allowing 16 characters. Capacity will grow by content length plus 16. It will be grow like this. But if you consider the default constructor, suppose if you didn't pass any parameters, capacity will grow like this formula. So previous capacity plus 1 into 2. So we'll see this one in this slide. So let me add few things here. So let me add one by one quickly. So let me first take the default and let me quickly add the length and the capacity. Okay, I have added two things here. Length, I have taken sb.length and sb.capacity. So it will print two things for me. One for length of it, the object, and another it will give me the capacity of this particular StringBuilder object. Let me run this one. So we can see there is a 0. Length is 0 because I didn't pass any parameters to it. And again the capacity is 16 because as I said in the previous slide, like it is taking 16 character by default. Okay, that is the meaning here. Okay, by default it is taking 16 characters. Even I can make this capacity to, this is actually the predefined default capacity. If I want to change based on my customization, I can add 10. Suppose I don't want 16, I want 10 only, so I can make it like 10 here. See, the capacity is 10 now. So let me add few data here. Okay, suppose let me take the default only, but if I enable this one, so now see the difference now. The length is as usual, it is along with the space, it is taking 5 characters. Right, so it has taken the 5 characters, but the capacity will be 16 only. Okay, let me add some more data. So ProTechBeach. So it is, hope it is more than 16. Let me check. Yeah, see here, the length is 17. Right, so as per the characters which we provided here, 17, but it is exceeded the grown by some value. So how to calculate this data? It is taking as per this formula, previous capacity plus 1 into 2. So let me go for this formula. We'll see whether it is coming 34 or not. So previous capacity, by default capacity, we said like it is 16 plus 1. See, now the value is 34 now. So this is how the capacity will grow. So now the default capacity is, what you can also calculate, right? 17. So it is added by 10 now. So now the previous default capacity means previous capacity is 10 plus 1. Okay, and into 2. So it is nothing but, so how much you got, right? So the same thing we got here also. Suppose if I run and show you, yeah, the 17 plus the new capacity is 22 as per the formula. So it is working fine now. Right, this is how we can able to check the capacity, or we can able to calculate the capacity of the StringBuilder. So one more point also I mentioned here, like how it works, the content length plus 16. This is when we add this initialize some string value, right? So let me show you that as well now. So instead of, so let me comment out this line. So instead of 10, let me add the text here itself. Okay, so ProTechBeach. So now the character is 12 now. So let me run this program and show you. So as it is, length is 12, but the capacity is 28 now. So how this 28 come? The 28 is because of the formula which I showed you, right? So as per this content length plus 16. That means here I can say content length is how much? Content length is 12 plus 16. So total value you got here, right? If I run and show you, see exactly 28 we got. Okay, next we will see some of the methods which are available in StringBuilder class in Java. So basically I have listed few methods here. So this much is enough for you for your basic understanding or for attending the interview. So I have listed like append method, insert method, reverse, capacity, delete and replace. capacity we already seen, like it will check the capacity of the StringBuilder object. What about the append? Append, let me show you here only. So let me go back to my, initially I have taken some data, the ProTechBeach as a string. Now I appending to the Java. So what append method does, it will copy the Java, whatever the append characters you want, it will append to the ProTechBeach. Now it will come as protect. Now once you run this one, so ProTechBeach space Java, it will appear. So append method combines the two string, right? It is combining second string to the first string. So now we'll move on to the next, that is insert. If I go to insert, right? So let me comment out this one. Let me go to the insert. In case of insert method, it is taking the two parameters, one for offset we need to set and one for the string. The offset is the set, index we need to specify like where exactly we need to insert the data, right? So I have inserted 3. Now I will add some text here. So any text we can add. Let me add Java. Okay, so let me run this program. So how it works. So exactly third positions I am inserting the data. Because see, one more thing you should understand here, like it is not replacing with any text. Simply it will go and insert this Java exactly the third positions, means third index positions. See here, exactly it is added Java in between. So let me print out this data first, later I will print out this. Okay. Earlier it was ProTechBeach, the later I have added Java or inserted Java in between the given string. Okay, this is how in case of reverse, actually it exactly works like the name suggests. It will reverse the given string. So sp dot reverse. Okay, so if I run this program, see, as usual the given data is ProTechBeach, it is reversing the string. Okay, even though if we add some extra thing here, Java, again if you run this program, so it will completely reverse. Next one, the delete operation. So delete method, how it works, capacity already we seen, like it just print out the capacity of the StringBuilder. So delete again, it takes the two parameter dot delete, it takes the again it asks for the two start and end index. So where exactly, from where to where we need to delete the characters. Suppose let me add 3 and here something I will add 7. Okay, so what it does actually, so it will go and search for 1 2 3 from here to till 7. Okay, from here to till 7, whichever the data is there, it will delete. Then let me run this program. We have deleted from third to the index 3 to index 7. Okay, now not seen in this text is not available as an output, right? That is the meaning of the delete operations. So let me quickly move on to the next, replace, sp.replace. Okay, here again takes the index, suppose starting index and end index till where we need to insert and what text we need to insert, that also matters here. Java, if I run this program, what exactly it does, it replaces 3 to let me 7, because so that exactly same data it will replace. Okay, let me run this program. So initially we have added the text as ProTechBeach Java, but exactly 3 to 7th means 7th position, our program will be replaced. So these are the basic methods available in the StringBuilder. In this video we learned like StringBuilder class, what exactly StringBuilder, in which package it is available, whether it is mutable or non-mutable, and what is the how we can say it is a mutable, and also we saw that somehow whether it is synchronized or non-synchronized. Also we saw the constructor of the StringBuilder class, how the StringBuilder object, the capacity will grow based on the input provided, whether it is a default constructor or is a parameterized constructor. Okay, also we saw some of the methods available in the StringBuilder class, that is append, insert, reverse, capacity, delete and replace. And if you have any doubt regarding the StringBuilder class, you just put it in comment section, I will revert back. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.